What's up, everybody? It's Michael from NOBO. Today I'm going to give you a couple tips for how to kill a henned-up gobbler. Alrighty, so the first tactic that I like to use is actually trying to call to the hen. So a lot of the times, if you can call pretty aggressively with a lot of cuts, a lot of yelps, you can actually get that hen to get mad. She'll call back to you, and once she starts calling back to you, you call immediately back and you cut her off. So if she yelps, cut her off halfway before she's even done yelping, and add a couple more notes in there. Make sure you're calling a lot more aggressively, adding cutting in there. And sometimes what you can do is you can actually get that hen to come in, and she'll drag that gobbler right in with her. So yeah, that's the first tactic that you can try to do if he's kind of hanging around. This works a lot better if there's just like a couple hens and it's not a big group. It's harder to do this in a big group, but it's still possible. So yeah. It's funny, I was actually recording this and I just realized I deleted it. I was recording it before and it was like all out of focus, so I'm now re-recording it. But I was recording before and this freaking gobbler went off like literally right over here down this logging road. You could have heard it in that other video and I just realized I freaking deleted it. But I set up with just the camera right here and just sat down and tried calling him in, but there's no way. I've got the truck and my dogs running around. But I called when I first got here. I just called, I didn't hear anything, and then 10 minutes later, freaking right here, just gobbled off. So didn't hear him again though. But yeah, the second thing that you can try to do is you can actually just try to move around and get a little bit closer to him. So a lot of the times, if you hear him calling and he's gobbling, but you can tell that he's not really moving in closer, or maybe he's even getting a little further away. If you can figure out which direction maybe they're kind of moving, and you can close in a little bit and kind of cut him off, sometimes he'll hear you way closer, and it almost like it makes him, oh, I need to come check this out. I need to check out what this hen's doing. She's right up on me. And then he doesn't have to go so far away from his hens, and it makes them a little bit more inclined to come stroll in and check out what you're doing. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying this so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment on other videos that you think I should do. And if you don't, another thing that I like to do is actually grab a decoy like this guy, little Jake decoy. And what you can do with that is if you're on a field, this works pretty well too, because they'll be able to see it. You can use those fans. Not recommended on public land. It's kind of frowned upon. But yeah, so if you're in a big field and maybe you're watching the gobblers and they're way off and they're in a big group with a bunch of hens, what you can do is get one of those out, maybe get a fan out, get with your hens, and he'll call, see that Jake's with the hen, and he'll be like, hey, what the hell is that Jake doing with my hen? She's mine. And maybe he'll come check you out. A lot of times they'll come in all pissed off and they'll try to fight the Jake decoy. I'm sure you guys have seen that before. But yeah, if you're struggling with them in a big group and you need to try to get them in, this is just another thing that you can do to try to seal the deal and get them in closer, not just gobbling 100 or 200 yards away. So yeah. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So hopefully you got a couple things that you can take away from this and go put into the field, and hopefully get yourself one of those henned-up gobblers. So until next time, peace out.